Due to the historical and continued marginalization of the Coast region, Pamoja African Alliance prioritized 3 agenda items so as to address this endemic vice. The first is the land question at the coast. The second is the region's economy. And the third is inclusivity in mainstream public service of the coastal person. Since Pamoja African Alliance was not fielding a presidential candidate for the 2022 general elections, and in order to pursue and achieve these objectives, Pamoja African Alliance had to look for a suitable partnership that was willing to specifically commit to address these 3 main issues affecting the coastal population. Initially, Pamoja African Alliance had hoped to join the Azimio political configuration. Unfortunately and regrettably, Pamoja African Alliance had to opt out midway of Azimio for 3 fundamental reasons. Reason number 1, why we walked away from Azimio: the legal process for PA to be legally in Azimio could not be completed, as it was frustrated by the flat refusal of Azimio to make available a copy of the Azimio agreement, which would have enabled PA to table the same before our neck for ratification as demanded by the party constitution.
We have made a commitment as Kenya Kwanza that the issues they have brought to the table on matters to do with the land, on matters to do with the economy of the coast region, on matters to do with public service inclusivity for the people from the coast region, are matters that we have not only agreed, but we have made as a commitment by Kenya Kwanza. And we have signed into that commitment because we have every intention, commitment, and belief that we will deliver on this commitment.
We have been growing through very steady, phenomenal, and incremental momentum that can only leave everybody concluding that victory is yonder. And the joining of PA in the Kenya Kwanza Alliance is just but another milestone.
You have come out so powerfully on behalf of the people of the coast region. You have done something that you may not know the full impact yet, but you have said no to the politics of hostage taking.
We'll work with you, Governor Kingi, and your team. And as you've said, we want to roll up our sleeves and walk the talk. You are joining a team, a coalition of the willing and free. I did say on the day that I also joined that I have come freely without any conditions